Why select the attorneys of Washington Law Center? When selecting an attorney, you should hire the best and most capable, as proved by the attorneys and their law firm's track record for success. At Washington Law Center, our attorneys are universally recognized as among the best in the legal business, because you never get to be a Washington Law Center attorney unless you are brilliant, capable, hardworking, and you care about our core mission to make people's lives better. Our commitment is that nobody who is just average will ever get to be or remain a Washington Law Center attorney. At Washington Law Center, we handle multi-million-dollar cases as a matter of our regular course. We've obtained many tens of millions of dollars in personal injury results, many tens of millions of dollars worth of L&I pensions, and well over $100 million in excellent financial recoveries for our clients just in the last several years. We're presently aiming at more than $1 billion in total client recoveries since we founded our firm in 2012. Another thing to consider is that insurance companies know we won't stand down until our clients get what they deserve. And Washington Law Center, unlike many other firms, maintains such good capitalization that we can stand and fight with even the biggest insurance companies whenever required. In fact, it's precisely because that's our reputation that most capable defense attorneys now seek to avoid us in court. They do this by settling at fair values to our clients, because it's foolish for them to do otherwise. As importantly, every client of Washington Law Center gets personalized attention. If you want one of the partners' personal cell phones, just ask any of our staff or your attorney directly. Your questions will be answered in writing if you like, so you can have an archive of our communications about your case and feel safe that we'll never tell you one thing at one time and another thing later, like might happen at a less reputable firm. At Washington Law Center, you can trust us because we will keep our word to you and we will fight for you. Don't hire the other attorneys who run law firm mills and rarely make a personal appearance in court. Don't hire attorneys that come from out of state or spend much of their time in California, New York, or elsewhere. That's always a huge red flag that the other attorney won't be available to you personally in your hour of greatest need, like we at Washington Law Center always will. In that type of firm, your case is likely to be pawned off onto an inexperienced, low-wage, and often unhappy associate attorney who may not be available to you months from now, let alone years from now, if your case is so significant, complex, or high value that it takes that long to prosecute through our court system. Unfortunately, that's exactly how law firm mills operate and make their money. And there are several such mills that you can see advertising on TV, the internet, and elsewhere right here in Washington. Stay away. If you've discovered too late your case is presently sitting in one of those mills, give us a call. You can probably still transfer your case to Washington Law Center, depending on the facts. Simply put, at Washington Law Center, we believe we are the best attorneys for you if you've been injured in Washington State. We do all of our work on a contingent basis, meaning we don't get paid unless or until you win. Washington Law Center is the powerhouse law firm you've been looking for to handle your serious personal injury, wrongful death, medical malpractice, civil rights, or labor and industries claim. Even if you don't know what kind of case you have, if you've been injured, please call Washington Law Center for a free consultation today.